Today I'm flying the FlyZone Super Cub. I haven't flown this plane in maybe a year now, and today the plan was to go flying FPV, but as you can see, quite overcast, so the second best choice was to come and play with our friends Seagulls here. And look who I found.
Okay. Yeah, to the left.
And here comes my friend Jonathan to fly formation.
Yeah. Nice, eh? You can use it.
Are you taking?
I am. He's wondering what. Oh, look, he's trying to catch up with you again.
This reminds me of Chad flying formation.
Just there, he was trying to get on top. Maybe because of the color, eh? Can you fly close to him again? See if he does it.